How to add background in Canva. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add background in Canva. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to canva.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Here, I've opened up a new design. Now you want to click on this. Then you will find different options. Click on this background color option. From here, you can change your background color. You can select any solid colors from here. So go ahead and change whichever you want. You can also select some gradient colors. For that, scroll down. Now select the gradient color. You can also click on the option of add your brand colors. Then you can create your own color palette. So go ahead and select your color palette. Simply adjust the slider over here to create a color of your choice. In this way as well, you can add a background. Now, if you want to add a picture or a photo as a background, then you want to simply head back, then click on the templates option. From here, you want to click on the photo option. Now, you will have different categories here. Simply select the one that says background, or you can search for any other category as well. Here, you want to find the photo and click on it. If you are using a free version of Canva, make sure that you select the background, which is for free. After you have selected it, you can add fonts and create your design. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.